Hey guys, it's Gaz Cooper here. How you doing? And for the Revenge of the Drones, I'm going to prove a point to you right here with Intel's new mini drone. It's a light drone, and they just broke the world record at a trade event of flying the most mini drones. And this one actually has a light on it, so they can actually light up the sky just like that. And they broke the record of having the most drones in the air at one time. Yeah. Also, Lady Gaga, yeah, lit up the sky in Australia, yeah, using these drones also. And the idea of this video is just as a very quick video, just to show you how quickly, you know, we can put this video on the first page of Google. So I'm not going to drag it on any of that. It's just an example video. I'll take it down after the launch of Revenge of the Drones. And so remember, the early bird gets the worm. Yeah, so click on the link below and I'll see you over right there. Thanks for listening. Gaz Cooper out.